Hello students, this is the 47th lecture for SY BCom students. Name of the subject is Business Statistics, Unit 4, Lecture 2. Name of the topic is Construction of Life Tables. Next question, what is the probability that the persons of specified age will survive a specified number of years? Next question, how many people, how many persons out of selected number of persons living at the initial age survive on the average to each attained age. The life table thus gives a summary of mortality experience of any population group during a given period of time, and is a very effective and comprehensive method for providing concise measures of longevity of that population. The data for construction of life table are census data and death registration data. See the notation and terminology. Small lx is equal to the number of persons living at any specified age x in any year. L0 is equal to called the cohort or radix of the life table. So L0 is equal to number of newborns. Dx is equal to the number of persons among the LX persons attaining a precise age x who die before reaching the age x plus 1 in any year. So dx is equal to small lx minus small lx plus 1. Px is equal to small lx plus 1 divided by small lx. Px is the probability that a person aged x will survive till his next birthday. Qx is equal to 1 minus px. Qx is the probability that a person of exact age x will die within 1 year. So Qx can be given as Qx is equal to dx upon Lx. Lx plus 1 is equal to Lx into Px. So capital Lx is given by number of years lived in the aggregate by the cohort of L0 persons between age x and x plus 1. So capital Lx is equal to Lx plus 1 divided by 2. Tx is equal to the total number of years lived by a cohort L0 after attaining the age x. So capital Tx is the total future lifetime of Lx persons who reach age x. So capital Tx is equal to capital Lx plus capital Tx plus 1. So Ex0 measures the average number of years a person of given age x can be expected to live under the prevailing mortality conditions. So Ex0 is equal to capital Tx upon small lx. Assumptions, description and construction of life tables. Assumptions. The following are the few simplified assumptions which are used in the construction of life tables. First assumption, the cohort is closed for immigration or immigration. In other words, there is no change in the census except the loss due to deaths. Next assumption, individuals die at each age according to predetermined schedule, which is fixed and does not change. Next assumption, the cohort originates from some standard number of births, say 10,000 or 1 lakh, which is called as radix of the table. Next assumption, the deaths are distributed uniformly over the period x to x plus 1 for each x except for first few years. In other words, deaths are uniformly distributed between one birthday and the next. Description of life table. A typical life table has generally the following columns. Column number 1 is x, second is Lx, third column dx, fourth column qx, fifth column px, 6th column capital LX, 7th column capital TX, and 8th column EX0. The formula for dx is given by dx is equal to Lx minus Lx plus 1. Qx is equal to dx upon Lx. Px is equal to 1 minus Qx, which can be written as Lx plus 1 upon Lx. So capital Lx is equal to small lx plus small lx plus 1 upon 2. Tx plus 1 is equal to Tx minus capital Lx. Ex0 is equal to Tx upon Lx, capital Tx upon small lx. D0 is equal to L0 Q0. L1 is equal to L0 minus D0. D1 is equal to L1 Q1. Therefore, L2 is equal to L1 minus D1. See the example. Given that D1 is equal to 52, L1 is equal to 132. We have to find the value of L2, and the question is for 2 marks. So we know that D1 is equal to L1 minus L2. So replace all the values. D1 is replaced by 52 and L1 is replaced by 132. So 52 is equal to 132 minus L2. So we can rearrange the terms to get L2 is equal to 152 minus 52. So answer is 80. Next example. Fill in the following table marked by question sign. Age, Lx, Dx, Qx, Px, capital X and capital Tx. So this is a live table which is given to us. Age 56, 57. Lx value, age 56, Lx value is 45,129, and for age 57, Lx value is 43,739. We have to find the value of D56. So D56 can be written as L56 minus L57. So replace the values. 45,129 minus 43,739. So answer becomes 1,390. Next question mark is Q56. So Q56, the formula can be written as D56 upon L56. D56 just now we have calculated as 1,390 divided by L56 is given as 45,129. So D56 is equal to 1,390 divided by 45,129. So answer is 0.030800. So value of Qx is 0.0308. So Px can be calculated as 1 minus Qx. So P56 is equal to 1 minus 0.030800. So the answer is 0.9692. Then the next question mark is for capital L56, which is nothing but small L56 plus small L57 divided by 2. So which is equal to 45,129 plus 43,739 divided by 2. So if we perform the calculations, the value of L56 can be considered as 44,434. Next question mark is for T57. So T57, the formula can be written as T56 minus capital T56 minus small L56. So capital T56 has already been given as 6,91,411 minus L56 has already been given as 45,129. So the answer is 6,46,288. So the table can be rewritten as age 56, 57. Lx values has already been given 45,129, and for age 57 the Lx value is 43,739. The values which we have calculated as D56 is 1,390, Q56 is 0.030800, and P56 the value is 0.09692. If you subtract this value from 1, we are going to get Px value. Lx value has already been calculated as 44,434. Tx value for age 57 we have to calculate. We have already calculated this value as 6,46,282. See the next example. This question is from April 2018 question paper for 2 marks. Given that D1 is equal to 252, L1 is 331, we have to find L2. So D1, the formula can be written as L1 minus L2. So we will replace the values. D1 has already been given as 252. So 252 is equal to 331 minus L2. So after rearranging the terms, L2 can be calculated as 331 minus 252. So the answer is 79. Next question from April 2018 question paper for 5 marks. Fill in the following table marked by question sign. So I think this has already been done. Age 56, 57. Lx value 45,129 and Lx value for 57 age is 43,739. So this part we have already done. D56 is equal to L56 minus L57. So which is equal to 45,129 minus 43,739. So the answer is 1,390. Q56 can be calculated as D56 upon L56. So which is equal to 1,390 divided by 45,129. So the answer is 0.030. So P56 is nothing but 1 minus Q56, which is equal to 1 minus 0.030. So the answer is 0.9691. Then we have to calculate L56. The formula is small l56 plus small l57 divided by 2, which is equal to 45,129 plus 43,739 divided by 2. So the answer is 44,434. Then T57 has to be calculated. T57, the formula is T56 minus L56. So T56 has already been given as 6,91,411. So we have to subtract 45,129 to get T57. So T57 is equal to 6,46,282. So we can replace all the values in the given table. 56, the values which are in box. Just now we have calculated and we have replaced the values in the question mark in the given table. See the next example. Given that D80 is equal to this question is from April 2018 question paper for 2 marks. L80 is given as 13,987. We have to find L81. D80, the value is given as 2018. So L81, the formula can be written as L80 minus D80, which is equal to 13,987 minus 2018. So the answer is 11,969. So this question is for 2 marks. Next example, which is for 5 marks. Fill in the following life table, which is shown with the question marks. So wherever we have question mark sign, we have to find that values in the given table. So age 20, the value of Lx is 10,000. For age 21, Lx becomes 9,873. Then the value which is given as capital T21 is given. We have to find D20. D20 can be considered as L20 minus L21. So these are the number of days in the given year. So we can write this as 10,000 minus 9,873. So the answer for D20 is 127. Then formula for Q20 is given as D20 upon L20, which is equal to 127 divided by 10,000. So the answer becomes 0.0127. P20, the formula is 1 minus Q20, so which is equal to 1 minus 0.0127. So the answer is 0.9873. Then the next value which we want is capital L20. The formula for L20 is small l20 plus small l21 upon 2. So which is equal to 10,000 plus 9,873 divided by 2. The answer becomes 9,936.5. Then we want T21. The formula is capital T20 minus small l20. So the value can be calculated as, replace the values. T20 value is 83,000, sorry, T21 value is 83,269 is equal to T20 minus 10,000. So the value of T20 is nothing but 93,269. Then E20 we have to calculate, which is nothing but T20 upon L20. So the values which we are having are 93,269 divided by 10,000. So the answer is 9.3269. E21 0 is equal to T21 divided by L21, which is equal to 83,269 divided by 9,873. So the answer is 8.4340. We can rewrite the things in the following table as age is 20, 21. LX values has already been given as 10,000, 9,873, and we have T21 value also which is given. These values which are in boxes, we already have calculated these values. So this is nothing but D20. The value which we have calculated is, see, this is our D20 value 127. So D20 127. Q20, the value we have calculated as Q20 0.0127. So 0.0127. P20 is 1 minus Q20. So 1 minus 0.0127. The value becomes 0.9873. Then capital L20 is nothing but small l20 plus small l21 divided by 2. So the value becomes 93,269. 83,269, this value has already been given. So we'll replace the value as it is. Then EX0, we have calculated the value for E20 as 9.3269. So the value we can replace 9.3269. And E21 the value is 8.4340.